I see a day to see a job is what it made to me. Shit be thinking bravery, see it's mine slavery. 9 to 5, grind and strive, fucking nigga pay me less. It pay my bills at minimal, but see it pay me stress. Doing this and doing that, and turn around and scold you true. How I did it wrong when I just did it like you told me to. Fuck you, eat a dick, that's what I be really thinking. Yes sir, no sir, that's what I be really speaking. Cause even though this job pissed me off, obviously what make a nigga piss more is living poverty. Obviously I gotta work, suck it up and give a smirk, smiling even though it hurt and see my boss a fucking jerk. They call it a paycheck, it's really disrespect. That shit's so low I can't afford to call collect. And that's better than Mike Jack with the White Sox. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. I see them laughing as they passing and harass me colder. Cause see my passion keeps on passing me, I'm getting older. That's why I rarely let people at my job know I rap. Cause that just turned to some circus like I'm an acrobat. And my coworkers are nosy and I don't miss it hardly. Can you do a rap at a job Christmas party? Hell no, you ain't shit offended you would ask me to. Don't get it twisted that I'm working here cause I'm just passing through. But they don't believe me cause I've been here for years working. And so it's seeming it's dreaming the rapping ain't working. On a professional level it's so objectional shovel I'm doing dirt with, so every day I work shit. I'm steady slaving, behaving just like I'm Roots Tobin. I feel dejected, rejected, sit on my stoop slowly. And it's better than Mike Jack with the White Sox. I'm steady slaving.
Alright, let's start with the Yamaha side. So ayan na siya. Overall aesthetics, ayan. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya yung overall aesthetics nyan. Or maybe nakita nyo na sa intro. Pero ito lang, quick review na gagawin natin for this Yamaha side. First is the key. May shutter siya. So may anti-theft lock para magsara yung ignition. Ito yan. So susian mo lang yan dyan and it's good to go. So heads up lang guys, kagaya nga na sinabi ko is hindi ko siya masasakyan or mare-review na nakasakay dahil nagbago na sila ng policies due to pandemic. Mas naging maingat na sila. Kung mapapansin ninyo yung ibang unit may nakalagay na thank you for not sitting. So basically mas mahigpit na ngayon and we don't want to spread the virus as well. So let's just follow the policies kung ano yung mga pinatutupad nila. So yun, balik tayo. May kickstart siya, very important to kapag ka may mga sudden loss of battery. Kapag ka nawala ng energy yung battery mo ng karga, maganda talaga na may backup na kickstart. Yung iba ayaw nga ng kickstart halos eh. Nakita ko nga yung review ni Sir Sak, gusto niya pang ipatanggal yung kickstart dahil yun na nga daw talaga yung bagong standard ngayon. Minsan nakakaabala pa daw kung dyan nakalagay. For me siguro sana naging black lang to, no, para hindi naman too plain yung pagkakadesenyo ng kickstart. Ang pinakagusto ko actually sa motor na to is hindi ka bibigyan ng sakit sa ulo dahil napakadali lang nitong i-maintain, no. Wala siyang mga gear oil, actually change oil lang, madalas na pagpapa-change oil. Linis ka lang nito palagi na masipag na paglilinis ng kadena. Also kapag dilinis mo, make sure that you will lube it properly. Anuan mo rin, lalagyan mo din ng mga lubricant na angkop para dyan. Yun lang actually yung maintenance nyan. Tapos naka mugs na rin siya, no? Pwede mo tube type pa to, hindi pa siya tubeless, pero pwede mo pang ipa-tubeless yan dahil naka mugs na nga. Pwede mo i-convert into tubeless. Kita nyo naman yung kanyang gulong, manipis lang. So very nimble to at madaling isingit sa traffic. Sa unahan is ganun din, naka disc brake. Sa likod naman is naka drum brake. Ayan o, naka disc brake siya. Okay, maganda din yung design, no? Neat ang design yan. Kasi ito yung sinasabi ko, kapag masyadong maikli yung tapaludo is pwedeng mabasa itong makina. So sa kanya is sakop naman yung buong tapaludo hanggang dito, kaya secure. Ayun yung pinakamakina niya, nandoon. Ayun, okay naman. The fairings actually is malleable or parang hindi siya stiff masyado, yung malutong. Kasi pagka na-aksidente yung malutong, tendency is pwedeng mabasag ng ganun-ganun na lang. So maganda yung kahit paano yung pag nalagyan siya ng pressure is hindi siya kaagad-agad mababasag. Yung kanyang ilaw, hindi pa LED. Pero actually gusto ko yung ganitong klase ng headlight. Kasi sunod to sa pag-turn mo eh. Pag-ikot mo, pagliko mo, sunod yan. Diba? Kasi kapag nandito yung headlight, papansinin nyo, kapag sa madidilim na kalsada, kapag niliko mo na yung buong motor, tsaka mo palang makikita yung kalsada. Pero ito, since nandyan yung headlight, yun yung pinakagusto ko talaga. And makikita mo agad yung daanan kung sakaling mag-steer ka ng wheel mag-steer ka nung iyong manibela. Right, so bulb type pa siya. Ang nakita kong issue doon nung nag-gather ako na information from the owners, ang issue is lagi napupundi. Palit bumbilya ka. I know merong mga some ways na pwede mo siya ipa-LED. Madali na yan ngayon. Pwede mo pa yung ipa-convert sa LED. Ito is halogen pa rin yan, yung signal lights nya. Ayan. Yun yung gilid nya. Ito yung yellow eh. Lagi kasi na-feature yung black, pero maganda din tong yellow. Solid din yung hawakan ng angkas, oh. Ganda rin yung kanyang tail light. Kasi ayoko nung mga tail light na nandito nakahiwalay yung winker. Kasi madaling mabali yun eh. Kapag may mga naglalarong bata, pwede mabali yun. So gusto ko yung ganyang headlight. Andito yung susian, no? Kita nyo? Para mabuksan to. Hindi na natin nahihiramin yun. Susi, no? Makuha na lang ako ng video dyan kung paano nila buksan yan. At ang maganda dyan, may compartment siya. Unlike any other underbone or sa segment na to na entry level, walang mga compartment. Gusto ko rin to. Maganda din, stylish din yung pagkakalagay ng tapakan ng angkas. Tapos isa pa sa issue daw is yung kapag ka nag rear brake ka, may tumutunog, no? May tumutunog na bakal. So hanapan na lang natin ang solusyon yung mga ganung bagay. Pwede yung higpitan na lang yan. Ito yung kanyang gears, semi-automatic na to. So kung tama pagkakatanda ko sa research ko is dagdag 4. So ayun guys, naputol yung sinasabi ko. So basically sa research ko is 4 down tong ano na to, 4 speed siya. Tapos dito dagdag sa unahan, bawas sa ganun. Doon ako masanay sa mga ganong klaseng motor. Kung makikita nyo, fuel injected na din siya. So napakatipid talaga sa gas. Safe run challenge, umabot to ng around 129 kilometers per liter. And sa city driving naman, kung regular na nagamit at talagang matipid ka sa gas, siguro mga nasa 75 to 90 kilometers per liter. So napakatipid to sa gas. Kung bakit ito yung feature ko, makikita ninyo, yung nga sinabi ko, tube type pa siya. Pwede nyong ipa tubeless. Wala siyang kill switch, sa side stand pa, no? Naputol kasi yung video ko, hindi ko lang kung ano yung mga nasabi ko. Pero yun, basically ayun lang yung muffler nya or yung exhaust, no? Napakaganda rin. Siguro to pwede tong palitan ng mga stainless, no? Para mas maganda yung pagkaka-design, no? Sa palagay ko, yun ang tingin ko kasi nagkaroon ako ng semi-automatic dati and sanay ako din sa semi-automatic. Dito talaga ako masanay. For 3 years yata semi-automatic ako. Tapos ayun, naka din siya, ganda rin itong tapakan ng angkas, dual shock, no? Manipis ang gulong, so nimble to, madali isihin sa traffic. Dito rin yung rear nya, rear brakes, drum brakes pa yan. Tapos kung may natunog doon, pwedeng higpitan lang doon ng konti, okay na yon. Tapos yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, depende lang yan, kanya-kanya lang yan ang taste. Ako kasi, to be honest, diba, my point is kung magugutom ka, okay na sa'yo itong ganito. Actually, ako okay na sa akin itong ganito as long as presentable yung motorcycle ko. Kasi to be honest, ilang segundo ka lang na mapapansin sa kalsada like 3 seconds, diba? Ganun ka lang na makasagit mapapansin sa kalsada. After that, wala na silang pakialam sa inyo kasi dadaan ka lang naman so walang may pakialam huwag kayo magpadala sa opinion ng iba. Mahalaga is comfortable kayo dun sa ginagamit ninyo. So ayun yung mga ano niya, may push start sa kanan, andito yung throttle, brakes, front brake, tapos wala siyang rear brake kasi nandito sa ilalim, low and high beam, turn lights, signal lights, left, right, busina, tapos panel gauge niya straight up, 4 speed nga, o tama ako, di ba? Neutral 1 2 3 4, fuel gauge, ito naman is yung speedometer, odometer, kung ilan na yung natakbo, 15. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng fairings, pwede ka pa dito maglagay ng gamit, no? Maglagay ka ng sabitan dyan. Also, the seat, palambot, comfortable. Abot din to ng mga 5'3", no? Ay, abot na abot. Kahit 5 flat, depende talaga sa inyong riding skills and ability. So, ayun lang siguro yung mga sasabi ko. Palitan nyo na lang yung headlight, LED ninyo. Good na to. You know, safe front challenge, 129 kilometers, 2018. Ganun siya ka-fuel efficient. So, ito yung masasabi kong isa sa mga bang for the buck ng motorsiklo, no? Either Honda Beat or Yamaha Sight. Yan lang sa dalawa talaga yung pinaka-pagpipilian ko kung sakali mang bibili ako ng motor na budget friendly. So, yun. Let's take a look ng aesthetics nito. Videohan ko lang siya, tapos jump na ako dito sa kabila. Vega Force naman tayo.
I don't know who the fuck to trust. Is she my friend or my foe? I must have exit drove. Yeah, she give me that clean eyes roll. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at all this, silly, I'm Bob, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy. Running through racks, track me. I run up the racks like an athlete. Big facts, you're the dick, 6 lanes. Ballin' like think fast, told her I love her. I ain't really mean that, yeah. Nowadays these people like funny. Remember way back she was love. These bitches nigga can't cover. I got 4 hoes that went up. I remember. Remember I was selling dog food, no kibbles, just to get me some skrilla. Remember I was really on the block like Tetris, just to get me some chip. Surfing, rockin' the parking lot, my weed louder than like the game blah blah. I be on her mind like non-stop, yeah. Had to cut the little thought, now I'm talking about. Remember smoking blunts with my friends. Seconds a couple of days, yeah. Lost a lot to the fan. That's the shit got me.